Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts. I'm coming by today to do another jewelry share for the next the next part of the 100-day project. And no, I have no idea what day it is. This was the next piece that I did. It's another colored pencil transfer. Really pretty glittery blue background. Okay. Then this was the next one. These are water release tattoos. They're cheap dollar store tattoos. Came from the kids section at the dollar store. I have a lot of these. And yeah, they work great on polymer clay. Okay, then this was the next one. And this was the one from the tutorial. Again, a really pretty background. I hope you're getting the pearly effect of that one. Okay. I'm trying to go in order. I've got my Facebook page up on my computer screen. And then I did these as a project. I will eventually have another tutorial coming up showing you how I did these. If you're interested in purchasing anything from my Etsy shop, that will go to helping me get a new camera. So hopefully we can avoid these insane issues. Okay, then I did this one. I only did 2 mixed media Mondays this time. This crown and then an altered box here in a minute. This one was done with some texture paste, some little enamel dots. This crown is a resin crown from a mold I got off Wish. Okay, then next was this faux Raku bead bracelet. Okay. Then this one. This one was done with the stamped texture sheet. Then I did this one, which was the faux ivory bracelet. Then this one was the faux bone. And then this one was the faux coral. Faux skeletonized coral. Okay. Then there's this one, which in a lot of ways she's my absolute favorite. I love the way her hair turned out. Her eyes are a little bug-eyed, but she's really pretty. And I also love the background. Was this altered box that I did with the Art Alchemy patina and Rust Effects pastes. Then I did this, is the faux opalized wood that I just did a tutorial on. Then these are the black opal that I just tried to do a tutorial on, but my camera just will not let it happen. Okay, then I did this one. This is with the Rust Effects paste in, I believe, the military set. And the wings are actually resin on this one. Okay, then I did this one. This one is done with the Art Alchemy waxes. Really pretty. Okay. Then I did this one. This one was also done with the Rust Effects paste, and this is the metal one. These are amethyst. Sorry, I should have said this is a zebra jasper, and these are rock crystal. Alright, then was this one. Sorry, I'm getting totally confused. This one was with the patina effects paste, and this is an agate. Okay, then I did the wings. Okay, I did a tutorial on those. Then somehow I'm missing one because I did this one yesterday. Must not have put a picture on my Facebook. This one is the camouflage Rust Effects with a leopard jasper. Okay, just love this patina effects. Fabulous. Alright, and then this one was tonight's. Again, it's the Art Alchemy wax. This is actually a resin rhinestone that I just got off a Wish, and surprisingly it held up in the oven. Didn't put off any smells or anything. This is a CZ here in her hair. Alright, so whatever not tonight is, I have no idea. It must be like, well, April 3rd, and today is May 9th, so 30 something or other days. Like I said, I missed a day or two, but all in all, I've tried to do it every day. On the last video, I don't know if you saw the still pictures at the end, but I did forget to show a couple of days, so I really got in more days than I thought I did. Alright, so for next week, I won't have my normal videos. Since my camera is giving me so much trouble, I've filmed a couple of hauls from, it's stuff that I ordered either back in March or back in April that I either just got or I filmed it ahead of time and have just been waiting to show you. So those are going to be the videos I've got coming up for next week. I probably won't even have a Mixed Media Monday this week, just because it really is so aggravating to try to film. The hauls I can at least do, just show the product and pause the video. Show the product, pause the video. That works better than trying to actually just film and having the camera cut me off. Okay? So, thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. My links will be listed down below, including the link to my Etsy shop, which I will also try to put in an iCard somewhere. Bye for now.